Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to get Aviator Predictor app activation code. So first is open your browser and type in Aviator Predictor GitHub. And then just tap on this one, the first link to come up. And then from here, scroll down until you find this Aviator Predictor, this one. And then just tap on this link, the right link. And then from here, scroll down again, and you should be able to see here the activation codes and login details. So guys, as you can see, activation codes are provided for free upon registration on the official website. And also, there is no need for external code generators as activation codes are provided for free. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!